Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how to replace your headlights. All the lights in this headlight housing. So you've got your blinker light. This is the high beam. This is your low beam. And this, we have a side marker light. We're going to go over how you replace all of those lights inside there. We do have enough space that we can reach down here and we can change them all from the back without having to remove the headlight assembly and or the bumper to be able to just replace the individual lights. This one is not built for the daytime running lights. If it was, a lot of times this is right here, which is a LED component. But this vehicle doesn't have daytime running lights. So we now know what the lights are, and we'll reach down back here and it'll get the set up to try to see the best of how to replace them. Okay, so the first light we'll start with today is this light out here, which is your side marker light. And so you just gotta kind of, you can reach in with your two fingers or maybe both hands, just a quarter turn to the left. Use the screwdriver just to give me a little bit more leverage just by the press on. And so now with this removed, you can now just pull the light bulb out to be replaced. The side marker lights are 12961 bulb is what you need to put back in, or it's a 5W5 or W5W is what they call it. So you'll just take the light. You've got two connectors. Doesn't matter exactly which way it goes in, but you just place it in there, and now you'll put it back in the hole. Once it's in there, then you're going to turn it a quarter turn to the right. That has been turned, so that's how you replace your side marker light in your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.